remix. It will take your face or you and another person or two and do some amazing things. You've probably seen your friends show these pictures lately, and you're wondering, why? Did they go to a photo studio and get all this fancy lighting? No, it's a simple click in Google Photos. Let me show you how. Now, it works on both iPhone and Android. I'll do one on Android and one on iPhone just to prove it. So first, it must be Google Photos. Nothing else has this feature. And then it's this Create button down here. So you can tap on Create, choose what you want to do, but then you have to go find a photo. I tend to prefer the other way around. I can start with a photo, and I have some already selected. I can start with a photo like this one of Jim and me in front of the Sydney Opera House. So cool. You can start with a photo, and then you find the Create button under the three dots. Three dots and Create. Now, warning, if you open up your phone in Google Photos and you don't see this, sorry, it's rolling out. But if you have the feature, here's how it works. So you pull up a photo, three dots, and remix. And then you have all these different things you can do. I'm going to transform my image into a rich oil masterpiece. It says, okay, there's what I'm going to do. Here's the picture I'm going to do it to. Generate. I think that's pretty cool. If you like it, you save. Now it is out in your photos. And it is the same picture of us at the Sydney Opera House looking like an oil painting. Let's try another one. I'm going to open a photo just of me, and I want to make it be a dramatic black and white. So three dots, Create, Remix, and put me in a dramatic black and white photo. Generate. Dramatic has to mean sunglasses and looking very thoughtful, I guess. I don't think I will save that one. For the next one, I will use the iPhone. Here's the iPhone. Here's photos, but I already have one selected in an album. Let's say this picture of Jim. Let's say he's decided he needs to go get a corporate job, so he needs a professional looking picture. Three dots, Create, Remix, and create a professional headshot. Generate. Seems like he should have a suit jacket on. You can always regenerate. Have it try another one. Yeah, that's better. If he wants a corporate job, he needs to look a little corporate there. And you can save it. So yeah, is this important? No. Is it fun? Yes, it is fun. So that is the remix feature.